In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use loop components in Teams. Loop components are a helpful way to collaborate directly inside a chat without needing to switch between different apps or documents. They let everyone in the conversation contribute to shared content in real time, which makes teamwork faster and more organized. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create and send one from a Teams chat. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and go to Chat. This is where you will begin if you want to share a loop component with another person or a group conversation. Make sure you're inside the chat where you want the component to appear, because once you send it, the people in that conversation will be able to interact with it directly. Next, look at the message box at the bottom of the chat window. In that area, find the loop components icon and click it. This icon opens the menu that lets you create collaborative content right inside your message. If you don't notice it immediately, take a second to scan the message tools carefully, since it appears alongside the other compose options. Once the menu opens, choose the component you want to use and then select the type of workspace you need from the menu. This step is important because different components are designed for different kinds of collaboration. Depending on what you're working on, you may want a format that helps with brainstorming, organizing points, or tracking shared information. Choosing the right workspace type at the beginning can make the collaboration much smoother. After that, enter your details into the component. This is where you add the actual content you want others to see and work on. Be clear and organized when filling it out so your teammates can understand it right away. If the component is meant for collaboration, it helps to keep the wording simple and the layout easy to scan. When everything looks good, click Send. Your loop component will be posted directly into the chat, and the people in the conversation can start viewing or editing it, depending on how Teams is set up for your workspace. This makes it easy to keep ideas, notes, and shared planning all in one place. And that's it. By going to Chat, opening the loop components icon, choosing a component and workspace type, entering your details, and sending it, you can quickly create interactive content in Teams and make collaboration much more efficient.